So hello everyone, Janine from Passion Infused Life with the Stagebergs. And if you've been following us long, you know that we're talking about the importance of what we're putting into our mouths and onto our body, not to mention into our minds. So today's topic is no different. Most of you have been following my ketogenic journey. I switched over to the ketogenic lifestyle back in December of 17, was struggling in and out of the keto flu. And it wasn't until March 14th that I actually found and received my exogenous ketones in the mail, and they have been a life changer. So many of you have seen my transformation over the course of the last 70 days, and you want in on it. I mean, and I can understand why. My body composition has changed. Yes, I've lost some weight, but I'm not a big scale person, but I have lost fat. I haven't been losing muscle, which is what's incredible, because muscle is such a high real estate when you're in a calorie deficit, which is when we lose weight, right? So the fact that I'm burning fat as opposed to my muscle makes me incredibly happy. But then there are so many other benefits, like my uplifted mood. The inflammation in the body reduces because the ketones naturally downregulate the inflammation in our body. And so things like my period cramps, like I used to start in the morning, it would wake me up. I'm consistently like a 4 to 5 a.m.er when it comes to my period starting. And it's gotten to the point, and this started the first cycle that I had after utilizing the ketones, that I didn't even feel it start. So my bloating is not as much as it used to be. When I am on my period, my mood is better. I would also like to let you know that my migraines that I was getting 2 to 3 a week, I mean, that's insane. My migraines are gone. I'm now 70 days in, and I was on therapeutic Botox, getting 21 injections down my neck, in my occipital bone. It was horrible. So I want to share with you, obviously, those benefits, but I think most of the people that come to me that see the benefits that I'm having and the results that I'm getting, that comes with also a change in what I'm putting into my mouth, okay? So it also comes with a change as to truly slowing down and paying attention to what it is or why you're eating. So not only what you're putting in your mouth and why, but am I really hungry, or do I feel like I'm just supposed to be eating right now? So I think that that's really, really critical to kind of capture and journal about, or just pay attention to whatever the process that works the best for you. But the ketones actually suppress your appetite, and they also curb your cravings. And in the instance that you succumb to one of your cravings, I'm telling you right now, as long as that craving is high in refined sugar and carbohydrates, you are not going to feel very well. Now, I will also tell you that as it relates to alcohol consumption, you will be a lightweight. So there are some things that kind of come along with this, but I think, in my personal opinion, they're great, because when you don't feel good, you tend to not do those things, right? So the ketones kind of help as a moderator, I would say, to kind of keep you in line, to keep you following the high fat, moderate protein, low carbohydrate lifestyle that I have found to bring me incredible amounts of energy, change my body composition, and truly I have never felt better. So if this is something that you want to get in on and you want to try for yourself, feel free to email me at jstageberg, that's STAGEBERG, at hotmail.com, or you can find me on Facebook at Passion Infused Life. And then our website actually has all of our handles too, so that's passioninfusedlife.com. So please don't forget to subscribe, and definitely hit that alert button so you're notified as we have new videos coming out. If you enjoyed this video, also give it a like. So thank you everyone, and signing off from Janine at Passion Infused Life. See ya.